Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Rajapushpa Auralia, a project by Rajapushpa Properties, the project which is part of Lifestyle City in Telapur, Hyderabad. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So basically, this is the marketing office of the project. And now about the land parcel is just behind this tower, the construction tower, just behind this construction tower, and the digging work has been started for the project. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now about the project overview, and this project is spread across 12.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers. Each tower consisting of 56 floors, having exclusive 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and this project is the part of Lifestyle City in Telapur, Hyderabad. First, let me show you the location of the land parcel, and the land parcel is right behind this construction towers. So this road will take you towards your land parcel, that is your project, and now the opposite side road will connect you towards Osman Nagar. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project.
So you can connect to ORR in just 5 minutes. Wipro Circle is 14 minutes away. Financial District is 18 minutes away. Kokapet 20 minutes, Gachibowli 25 minutes, and Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is 36 minutes from the location.
Now about the amenities part, and this project consists of world-class amenities like of Grand Clubhouse that is known as Club Aura of 75,000 square feet, including swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, coffee lounge, meditation zone, and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area, and this project consists of 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies, with 3 BHK starting from 3,015 to 3,435 square feet super built-up area, 4 BHK starting from 3,995 to 4,400 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit this site. Our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel of the project. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Rajapushpa Auralia by Rajapushpa Properties, and this project is part of Rajapushpa Lifestyle City in Telapur, Hyderabad.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.